Welcome back, as we now consider some useful and important tips regarding care and maintenance. Dial test indicators are, in all respects, precision instruments. They must be treated responsibly and used with great care. Damage resulting from careless handling, dropping, and other abuse will inevitably render these expensive instruments useless. A DTI is never lubricated. It is simply wiped clean. When not in use, store the instrument in its protective packaging. During use, be careful not to allow the plunger to drop into a keyway, hole, or into a gear tooth, as this will damage the plunger. Before use, check that the plunger moves freely without sticking. A sticking plunger is the result of a drop or a knock, and of course will severely hamper your reading accuracy. Only use your hands to tighten any locks or clamps on a base set. The use of pliers or grips is definitely not recommended. Keep the magnetic switch in the off position during storage. This will ensure longer magnetic life of the unit. It is strongly recommended that base sets be kept in their original storage containers. A tip to avoid losing the main post washer is to use some adhesive tape to keep it on the thread prior to packing. That concludes this program on dial test indicators. Practice the procedures we have demonstrated until you are able to perform setups, read measurements, and utilize the instrument in any practical application. Join us again in other Tech AV training programs.